Hey, what's going on? So I just picked this up. It's a let's see. It's an Emerson Kool. It's made for Montgomery ward. I got this off Facebook for $10. And I didn't really know what it was before I bought it. They only had one blurry picture, and they were selling 2 air conditioners at the same time in the same picture. I could tell it was an Emerson by looking at it, but I didn't know anything about it. Montgomery ward. So it's pretty similar to the one I bought last year. I was hoping it would be a different model, but it's pretty similar. I think the controls are all the same. This is a 6300. The other one I bought was a 6500. I got this grill just balancing out here so I can take it off. Yeah, it's about 60 degrees here, so I just ran the hair dryer. Yeah, I do have the filter for it over there. That's all falling apart. I have to replace the foam in it. I got the panel frames. This one has a crack in it. The accordions are gone. They're falling out a long time ago. So let's start this up before it cools off here. Yeah, we're still clicking. Let's start her up. It's fan. There it's on. I did run this already just briefly. It's probably only going to run for a few minutes. Let's just take the grill off. There's the compressor. EQK sticker. So it sounds pretty nice. It does have an Emerson fan motor. I don't know if that's showing up or not. Yeah, it runs pretty nice. It does not look rusty in there. It's a little dirty, but it's not rusty. Alright, that's quiet. Normal. Super. Super's pretty strong. It's quiet again. So yeah, you got the vent right here, which works. It seems kind of loose or something. Or maybe the cable's dirty or something. It does work though. The energy saver. It's not going to do anything while it's running. So yeah, there you go. I was hoping this would be a different model than the other one I got, but it's pretty much the same. It's just slightly different. Here's the label. I don't know how you tell the date off of this. It's probably from the early 80s, I would think. still running. Made in USA. The only thing I don't like about these, if you ever want to buy one of these, this is all that cheap foam. I don't know what you call that. It's similar to the filter foam. If you ever buy one of these, you're gonna have to replace all this foam in here. There's quite a bit of it. This weather stripping isn't a big deal to replace, but you got a pretty wide section of foam right up here. You're gonna have to replace all that. It's like brittle when you touch it. It starts falling apart. You don't want that blowing in your face or anything. Not a huge deal to replace it, but I don't know where you get strips this big. I'm gonna have to look. My other one had the same deal with the foams all falling apart. Yeah, that's the only thing. Even if you get one of these mint condition, you're gonna have to replace all the foam in there. The compressor really runs nice in this. So, there you go. See you next time.